Hello again, my friend. Alexander again from SJCAM. In my initial video, I simply show you the charging and the powering and simple operation of video and picture recording. These operations, yeah, sometimes we may meet with some unexpected issue, which means that, yeah, sometimes when we have already powered the camera with full enough power and we press the power button, the indicator light may be on but the screen is still black. Such kind of issue sometimes may happen, although the possibility is very rare, yeah, according to our own experience. So if such kind of situation happens, I just happen to get one idea, yeah, which is firmware upgrade or firmware updating operations, yeah. So I show you the operation of the software, the firmware update for the SJ5000 sports camera, and maybe it could be useful in some way. I hope so, yeah. First of all, naturally we need to download the latest version of firmware from SJCAM, its official website. I suppose that we can access the support.sjcam.com, this website, and yeah, and we can this is official website of SJCAM manufacturer. And at the low end of this page, there exists a firmware, right? Firmware for various models, including the SJ5000. So I have already clicked into the sjcam.com, this website. It contains the SJ5000 firmware update latest version, yeah, and it's a .bin file with 3.12 MB, not a big file. Of course, before recording this video, I have already downloaded in my to my personal folder. Yeah, it's this one, fw96655a.bin. This file, yeah. And let me read the procedures of the software updating. As shown on its website, to upgrade the firmware properly, follow the steps carefully. First, power the camera off. Second, remove the battery and the micro SD card from the camera. Third, reformatize the micro SD memory card using the FAT32 file format on your computer. 4. Copy the firmware files into the root directory of your micro SD card. Root directory, yeah. 5. Reinsert the SD card to your camera, and 6. Reinsert the battery. 7. Connect the camera with charger, and the camera will be upgraded automatically. 8. After the firmware update is completed, remove the SD card from the camera and format it again on your computer. Make sure to use the FAT32 file format. Yeah. I suppose the step 8 is just to avoid that when the same SD card is inserted in the camera, and the camera may take it to update it again, so it's unnecessary. We can just clear the .bin file, yeah, before we use it to take video or take pictures. We recommend to do the format under Windows system, not Linux, yeah, because there may exist some incompatible standard operations, yeah. So okay, after reading its instructions on the website of support.sjcam.com, and this contains the latest version of its firmware here. Please download it, then it's okay. And I have already downloaded to my personal PC. Okay. First of all, I will use this SD card. This TF memory card is Kingston 32 gigabytes. Yeah, and with class 10. I have already inserted into this reader. Yeah, and I will insert it to my PC's USB port to formatize it before I download the .bin file into this memory card. Okay. Okay. I have already inserted this memory card into my personal PC, and now what I need to do is formatize the memory. Yeah, formatize is here, and I use the FAT32 this format, and start formatize, clear the memory card. Okay, now it's completed. I click confirm and okay. Yeah, now this memory card on my 32 gigabytes, this memory card is clear, and what I need to do is to copy the already downloaded .bin file into this memory card. Yeah, please note that it should be downloaded into the root directory on my memory card. Okay, I will download it. I copy it, and then paste it to my memory card. Okay, now it's completed. Because regarding the uninstall the battery and plug it again, in fact, before recording this video, I have made similar operations, so I do not need to operate it anymore. And I will pick the memory card off the reader. Okay, this is the card, and with the .bin firmware inside. So the next step I need to do is to insert it into the TF slot of this camera. Okay. Now I have already inserted the memory card into the camera, and now the next step we need to do is press the power button, and then normally the camera will be auto updated through reading the .bin file from the memory card. Okay, I will press the power button. Yeah, and the camera is now accessing the auto upgrading status. It could take some minutes, and we need to have a short wait. Yeah, the whole process will be automatic. We do not need to interrupt it or just keep that at this moment. Please do not power off the camera. Okay. Okay, as we can see, now the camera is on again, and yeah, it means that our firmware upgrade process has been completed. Yeah. I simply do some operations. Okay. Serverly speaking, it should be the latest version of the firmware. Of course, I suppose that the original firmware is also the new firmware. Yeah, but I think the whole process can be taken as somewhat kind of reference. And now what I need to do is push off the memory card and then clear the card again before we use it next time. Okay, I think these two videos should be helpful to make clear what kind of issue could be and try our best to solve it. Yeah, you can check these two videos seriously and then make a similar operations at your end and you check whether it's useful or not. And thank you, bye bye.